Tucked away in the quiet mountains of western North Carolina lies the semi-rural town of Fairview, a short drive to Asheville and just south over the mountains from Swannanoa. In an area where mountain terrain can pose challenges for building, this 0.42-acre lot is a rare find. Located off Flat-Top Mountain Road, this lot provides the advantage of a mountain escape, but with gently rolling terrain, making building less complicated than competing lots in the area. Access to the property is easy from the state-maintained roads, and with some selective clearing, you can have mountain views. Zoning is open use, and the surrounding area is mostly made up of single-family homes, with a wedding venue and some other small businesses nearby. There's even a waterfall just up the road. With no building restrictions on this lot, you're free to come with your own plans, including the ability to place a manufactured home on the site. We have plenty of builder recommendations as well, so if you're starting from scratch, we can help you throughout the entire process. People love living in Fairview because of the stunning landscapes and close proximity to all the amenities of Asheville. Just driving through the area is a treat as you take in the mountains and rolling farmland throughout your daily commute. In Fairview, you'll find farms and homesteads, small businesses, and a sense of local community with people who love the quiet mountain life and the option to be part of the greater Asheville area and lifestyle. In the growing season, you'll find farmers markets and community gatherings, and year-round you'll have access to hiking and scenic drives along the nearby Blue Ridge Parkway. Fairview Elementary and A.C. Reynolds Middle and High Schools are just a 10 to 15-minute drive as well, so if you have kids, this is a great location to build your next home. Local favorites include Hickory Nut Gap Farm, Whistle Hop Brewing, and Trout Lily Market, so if you seek to incorporate plenty of locally sourced organic food into your lifestyle, Fairview is the perfect place to make home. Don't miss your chance to build your dream home on this idyllic property in Fairview. For more information or to schedule a showing, get in touch with us at 828-424-9325. Altitude Real Estate Group is a locally owned firm, and we're a husband and wife team who love showing people why Western North Carolina is a great place to call home. We look forward to serving you.